everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Luna the Moon Tarot. My name is Neha Tanka, and today's reading is going to be about what do you need to know this week? What is going to happen in overall energies in your love life and otherwise as well. So stick till the end because I'm going to suggest a spell work as well if at all you are interested, and I'm open to take one-on-one personalized session as well. So the links are in the description below, so feel free to book for yourself. All right, take your person's name 3 times and hit the like button to connect with my energies and drop the zodiac sign of your person. Let's see, what is it that you need to know this week? Okay, the very first card that we have is the Two of Cups. That tells me that there is a reunion. If not a reunion, then I see, if you're already in a connection, then I see this person is going to put in a lot of efforts to revive this particular connection. A fair deal of emotions are getting exchanged, partnership is reigniting, and stronger bond is taking place in this particular connection. Both of you are putting in efforts. There is a lot of improvement that is going to happen in your connection. For people who are in a no contact separation situation, I see people are reuniting, reconnecting, reconciling, and a message is going to drop in an upcoming few days itself. If not this week, then maximum in 11 days. 8 to 11 days is what I see. This person is going to reach out to you, and it will be a fast paced communication that is going to come. We have Knight of Swords here. That tells me that this person is going to approach you in a fast way, in a fast manner. This is not going to be a delayed thing. This is going to be a quick thing. A message is going to come. This person is going to ask you out to meet, but be careful. Do not react in a very impulsive way, because I see impulse situation happening here. If not you, then if your person is reacting in an impulsive way, then try to diffuse the situation. Otherwise there can be a fight that can take place in this particular situation. I do see that this person may have taken a long time to realize, accept, but they are slowly and gradually coming towards you. They are taking stance, they are taking the charge of this particular relationship, and they are now ready to give in this particular and balance this particular relationship, and to give in this particular relationship. Because I see that maybe in the past there was a lot of imbalance that was there in this particular connection. Now they are ready to heal, they are going to balance. They see that you are the one and nobody else can take your place. You are somebody who's very caring, nurturing. The kind of nurture and care you have for them, nobody else can do for them. With the Five of Pentacles, they feel very lonely right now. They feel very sad and lonely and abandoned right now, that they shouldn't have. Okay, so they in their own life they may be suffering financially or mentally. They were not at the right place when things went down. Maybe the surroundings were not good, but now they are ready to come forward. They are ready to apologize. They have healed enough, they have balanced enough, and now their intuitions are guiding them towards you, and so is your intuition as well. I see lots of good things happening in this particular connection this week. I see lot of emotional exchange, a pure reconciliation, a lot of missing energies, a lot of warm energies in your person's mind, and a lot of contribution in this particular relationship. For few of you, I may sense a third party situation. In case if there is any, you can go ahead, you can go for the 7 days third party removal spell, and it has worked wonders, guys. Wonders for a majority of my clients. I do see they are going to come forward. They are going to give you this commitment. They are going to make you feel secured. They are going to give you this commitment of marriage and a forever union, and you will feel safe and secure, because this person all of a sudden has changed. And now when they are coming towards you, they are coming with a lot of grounded energy, with a lot of secured, grounded, and a peaceful energy. This person maybe is someone who may be younger to you, or somebody who is very immature, who was very immature in the recent past, because of which things did not work out between you both, or things were like very dicey between you both. Now they are gearing up. They are coming out of the illusion, they're coming out of the confusion, and they're coming forward towards you. Anything and everything that they did not tell you in the past, now they are going to open up. If they have blocked you, they are going to unblock you, because they do regret with the Five of Cups what they and how they have treated this connection, and now they are hoping that you will accept them back. Maybe dealing with A strong Aquarius, maybe dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Very strongly, I see a Sagittarius here. Okay, and fire signs as well, Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries. So I see a fast-paced communication, your person taking quick action within this week itself, all right, and a new passion is igniting, and your relationship is moving towards calmer waters with a lot of love. And whatever baggages you guys were carrying in the recent past, you guys are going to drop it. You have become very clear. Okay, you know what you want and you are not ready to accept them, and now they are going to give you that clarity. Okay, you're mirroring each other right now. You are clear, and that is why you have put your foot down, and that is why now they are coming back with a lot of clarity. They ended it because it was necessary at that point of time, but for a new beginning. And I do see that the emotions, you also have emotions, it's just that you're waiting for the right time for them to express, and you are looking for commitment, a stability, security in this connection. Okay, and future with them, and so do they. And right now they are planning, they are in the planning stage as to how they should come towards you, what they should tell you, what will convince you enough. And I see that emotionally they are drawn towards you. For now you may see stagnancy, but moving forward in upcoming few days within this week itself, I see that they are coming out of that hanging zone wherein they had no clue what they have to do. They are going to unblock you, they are going to put their walls down. Whatever conflicting behavior or internal conflicts were there, now they are putting it aside, and they are ready to give this a second chance. The divine itself is playing a very strong role here. Now let's see what is the advice and guidance for you. Hmm. Whatever you have been going through a feeling, you have been juggling and you had no idea what's going on at their end, everything is going to everything is going to get over. I see a new beginning in this particular connection, a new beginning of this relationship with a light-hearted energy, with a refreshed energy, and this person is going to come forward, and it is going to make you feel really, really, really happy. Okay, this person is going to express, and they are going to apologize for the heartbreak, and I see that they are coming towards you with a lot of thought, and sleepless, with a lot of thought, that they have put in, with a lot of sleepless nights, and finally they are choosing a direction, and that direction leads towards you. They are leaving behind their past, they are leaving behind their ego, and now they are going to come forward and offer you that structure in this relationship which is required, with a lot of clarity and the communication. And you will see that happening in their communication itself, and the way they are going to tell you and express it to you. All right, walking away was a fault, and now they can't stay away from you. They feel very passionately drawn towards you. So this week is going to be really good for you, a majority of you. In case if you feel that half of the reading resonated but not the rest, then I would suggest take a personalized session with me. The link is in the description box below. I will be happy to read cards for you. In case if you're looking for a spell work and this reading resonates with you, then the spell work that you should go for to fast track and to remove all the negativity, you can go for either 3 days mini love combo, or you can go for 21 days love combo in this situation. Or if there is a third party, then you can go for a 7 days third party removal spell work as well. So I'm going to see you later. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel here. Bye bye.